Hello, my dear students, and welcome to our English lesson. I hope you are fine and ready to learn something new. Today, we will learn new words, get information about David Livingstone's great exploration, then we will get some information about adverbs. New words. Exploration. Exploration. The action of traveling through an unfamiliar area in order to learn about it. Discover. Discover. To find something unexpectedly. Traveler. Traveler. A person who is traveling or who often travels. Waterfall. Waterfall. A stream of water falling from a high place. David Livingstone. Many men in the English-speaking world took an active part in the exploration of new lands. These travelers of the past are known to everybody now because we can see their names on the maps when we learn geography. David Livingstone was one of the pioneers of exploration in Africa.
The real Livingstone was driven and ambitious, convinced he could open up Central Africa to European commercial trade. And his accounts prove he was a cartographer of extraordinary skill. He charted large parts of the continent previously unseen by European eyes. Where there was once a blank space, he filled in the map of Africa. One of Livingstone's most famous discoveries was the Victoria Falls on the Zambezi River. This is what Livingstone and his party saw almost 150 years ago in 1855. After months of trekking, it would have been an awe-inspiring sight. Explorer Russell Gammon has been following in the footsteps of Livingstone for 25 years and has investigated his map-making techniques.
The locals used to refer to this as Moziotunya, which means the smoke that thunders. And you can see the spray rising above the falls. And this is visible in the peak of the season up to 40 miles away. And it really does look like a brush fire in the distance.
Adverbs. What describe an action word? For example, I ate my dinner quickly. Here, quickly tells us how the action is happened. Quickly describes the action word ate. Another example. Sam sees many puppies outside. In this example, outside tells us where the action happens. That is, outside describes the action word sees. Let us look at one more example. My father came home early. Here, early tells us when the action happens. That is, early describes action word came. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. An adverb tells how, where, or when an action happens. Daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc. are adverbs. An adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. We often get confused between adverb and adjectives. Remember the following. Adverbs describe verbs. Adjectives describe nouns. An adverb never describes a noun. For example, sometimes I ate heavy meal. Here, the word heavy describes the noun meal. Sometimes we add L and Y to an adjective to get an adverb. For example, the dress is elegant. Here, elegant, an adjective, describes the dress, which is a noun. She dresses elegantly. Here, elegantly, an adverb, describes the verb dresses. Your homework is on page 154. Learn the rule again and do the exercise number 32B. Well, our lesson is over. Goodbye.